Today we're going to be showing you how to use a green screen on iMovie. First, you want to record your video, and then you want a green background for when you record. We used a very violently green. Now you're going to save your video and import it to iMovie. Now you're going to search up on Google your preferred image that you want for your background. Now you're going to want to save the photo that you want, and you're going to want to save it to a folder so this will be used later. Now you're going to import your photo into iMovie. For the sixth step, you're going to want to overlay your green screen video over the image you chose. Now you're going to go to the two squares at the top of the screen and press cut away. And then change it so it says green/blue screen. Lastly, you can add effects, but you obviously do not have to.